Oh, I think it's a very great platform for us to introduce our new innovation to our customers, to even our prospect customers. Really happy to be part of the event itself. We have a very good session with our customers, especially the one that arranged by the organizer to us. We have a fruitful discussion with a big company that we are aiming to support. And also, of course, we have a list of from all the prospects. But overall, it's a very good experience. And thank you so much for the organizer to have us with this one-on-one session. Okay, with the very targeted audience, it's not broad, but it's very targeted and aligned with our target. This is a very good opportunity for us to showcase our good insight of the manufacturing. Of course, with all the innovation that we have for the digital supply chains, I think it's a very correct decision that we are participating in this event.